Hi you guys, we're at Discount Tires getting the tires on the motorhome, so we'll be ready to travel and make more videos. So they're got it pulled up and get a little video of them. This is on Thunderbird and 83rd in Peoria. There's Xena. And we're working on it. They worked us a great deal where we could afford it. So they are working on it. These guys are great. They gave me a good deal on these. Basically gave me 2 tires free is what it comes out to, which is about $300. So if you need tires when you're in Peoria, make sure you come to 83rd and Thunderbird to Discount Tires. They're great guys. They'll work with you, and they do a good job. They're going to remove the old tires, and then they're going to put on the new ones. And Anthony is the one who helped me last month and gave me the promise of a good deal, and he followed through with that. So kind of him. Great guy. That's Xena. She's getting her new shoes, you guys. She got her front shoe last month. She's getting her back for this month. Big ordeal doing 4 tires on the dualies like that, I guess. I hope you guys can hear me all right. There goes one tire. And there's the other one. Never seen what it looked like. So that's what it looks like when they take one of the dualies off. You see that? That's the inside tire right there. After we video this for a while, we'll turn it off, and then I'll make another one when it's all done and show you how nice the tires look. Xena's getting some pretty new shoes. Can you believe it? After all this time, I've been needing to do it, but I just couldn't stop traveling and filming for you guys and myself. It drives me nuts to not be out there filming. But it got to the point where they were not very safe at all. They're extremely unsafe, actually. Okay, now this is what it looks like with no tires. There we go. Anyway, what's the other guys working on the other side? That place smells good. It's gonna be all set. Then we'll have to still do the generator, and I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with my left-hand side brakes. They're not working very good again. There's got to be something wrong for them to keep doing that. Because I replaced the brakes like 7,000 miles ago. That's the guy doing the other side, I think. Anyway. Okay, he's in there. I don't know if we can see him. Right there. He's taking the old tire off of the wheel. What he's doing there. I had to zoom it all the way in to see in there because it was too dark looking. That's the new tire that's going on. Wow, pretty cool, huh? Now he's going to get the other one up there. Take it off the wheel. There's another one. Oh, he got it off the wheel. Now he's going to put the new tire on that wheel. Doing that so it seals it real good when he puts the air in there, I suppose, or so it slips on or something. Not exactly sure. We're quite a ways away from him. That's why it's a little blurry, as I got it zoomed all the way. There we go. That's the second tire. And those are my other two new tires, I believe. Now he's going to take that tire off. Oh dang, we might get blocked. Dang it. Yep, it looks like we're gonna get blocked. Can't see him anymore. I don't think. Oh no, we still can. Sorry about the wiggle, I gotta move. I'm sitting on a curb. There we go. That tires off.
Let's go, boys. Let's get this stuff going. Get here.
It's a nice machine. It makes it a lot easier for him, I guess. There's the new tire that's going on that wheel. Those are Pathfinders. They're a better quality tire that has thicker sidewalls for the off-road stuff that I do. And they gave us a really good deal on it. Very nice of them. This is Discount Tires on Thunderbird and 83rd in Peoria. If you need tires, please come see these guys because they go out of their way to help you out. You can also come and get flats fixed for free and get your tires checked for the air pressure for free. And I forget what else they do, but they're all over the United States, I guess, and they're good guys, really good guys. Then they go and they fill those up with air. I think. Okay, I'm gonna shut this down till they start putting them on the. But this is what they do when they're changing the tires. That's how they do it, if you didn't know. I didn't. Sure, there's a lot of other people who don't. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Please like and subscribe. Please share on your social media. And tell your friends and family about my channel so they can subscribe and help me get to that 1,000. I also need 4,000 hours of watch time, and we're at like 1,300. So please watch my videos and watch them all the way through. That really helps. And you guys are the best. I'm gonna try to get out there and find some explorers. I can't go far. I got 1 tank of gas. I did fill up with gas, and that's got to last me all month. So I don't know. We might still be doing donkey videos and other things that I see. So, peace.